We'll guide you through how to see your comments on YouTube. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you're interested in seeing the different comments you've made across YouTube. We'll guide you through how you can go and see them all in one place, and also you can go and delete them there, or you can just go and view them. It's going to be up to you, but we'll guide you through this step by step. So what you need to do is you need to head to the bottom right of YouTube, and there you'll go and press the U button like so. Next, once you're on this page, you can go and switch the account, but you can go and switch it later if you want as well. And then what you can do is go and press the gear cog icon in the top right. You want to go down and find the option for manage all history and tap there. Once this loads, you need to go to the top and you can go and find the option for interactions, and you can go and tap there just like so. And then what you want to do is go down to video interactions, and you can find comments and replies. You can go and tap there, wait for this to load, and you can then scroll down and go and see the different comments you've gone and made, as you can see. So they're going to be done by chronological order. If you want to go and delete them, you can go and press the cross to the right. And as you can see, it says deleting now, and then it will go and be deleted. It's that simple. So you can go through the list and go and see it. And you can go and switch accounts in the top right. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.